Hello. Today I'd like to share with you information about a resource that's available to you as a student at the Community College of Rhode Island. The resource is called Handshake, and it's offered to you through your Career Services office. Handshake is a rich job database and much more. You can find the login information for Handshake by navigating to your Career Services office at the Community College of Rhode Island's website. To join Handshake, you need to create a profile and register. Registration is quick and easy, and profile completion takes about 15 to 20 minutes. When completing your profile, it's critical that you answer all initial prompts through the Handshake portal. You include education, your work experience, any organizations and extracurricular activities, skills, documents, courses, and projects, and your profile picture. Documents can include your resume and cover letter. Be sure to connect with your team at the Community College of Rhode Island Career Services office to support you in developing your resume and your cover letter. And be sure to use the tools for resume creation on the Community College of Rhode Island Career Services website. Here you'll see a screenshot of how to search for on-campus and off-campus employment opportunities in Handshake. On this screenshot, we have an arrow showing you where you could press just to find on-campus opportunities. Be sure when you're searching for on-campus opportunities that you type in CCRI in the search bar. Additionally, you can also type in the department that you might like to work at the Community College of Rhode Island, or just use CCRI as a general search of all on-campus employment opportunities. Handshake offers you many features and benefits. Your profile, where you'll let employers know who you are and what you've done and what you would like to do. You have the opportunity to research companies hiring, median salaries, majors that match up to career paths at the Community College of Rhode Island. You can search current jobs both on and off campus and internship postings. Connect with recruiters who are recruiting for employers who use Handshake to find qualified people much like you. You can also view, register, and attend virtual job fairs. And finally, Handshake offers you the opportunity to connect with your career services team to assist you in utilizing the tool, but also developing your profile and resume and cover letter. Here you see the Career Services contact page where you can fill out a form to create an appointment to meet with a career advisor. On the right of the page, you'll also see contact information for the Career Services team at the different campuses and by contacting them using the Career Services email or by phone. Thank you so much for joining us today to learn more about Handshake. Handshake is one of many resources available to you as a student at the Community College of Rhode Island, offered by the Career Services team. We look forward to supporting you in your academic and career endeavors. Thanks for tuning in today.